hell? Jennifer! Fire Enrique, he's eating.
What? But he's on his lunch break.
I don't care if he's on his lunch break. He should be stocking something! Welcome, young man. Have a seat. How can I help you?
Thank you. I'm here to make a complaint. I'm trying to get the generator 3000 in the store.
Stop right there. You mean the generator 3000 we keep on the top shelf?
Yes.
But didn't he offer to sell you a ladder?
The employees are telling me they can't reach it and I can't
Stop
reach
right
it.
there. Just stop right here. If you can't reach it, how the hell you expect him to reach it?
But why is it in the store for sale if nobody cannot reach it?
Go buy a ladder. Come out of my office. Go buy a ladder. Go buy a ladder. Go buy a ladder.